It was a design for the signage system for the street signs for the beaches of New York City, which nobody knows exist, but there are beaches in New York City, and also a boardwalk design for a reconstruction of the Rockaways after Hurricane Sandy destroyed the wooden boardwalks. The city could not build it back with wood. It was going to have to be cement. And we put the name Rockaway in the beach, and we designed a typeface for Rockaway Beach that was based on the way the architect Claire Weiss had designed the giant sections of the boardwalk. And she had a curved section, and then there were straight sections, and they had different designated uses, like one was a bike lane and the other was purely for walking. And it made this typeface. It was designed for a specific reason, for specific people in a specific time, and that's why I chose it. In terms of the graphics for the street signs, that was really the local city councils of the beaches, and they all had to approve this thing. So these things were shown at community board meetings. And technically, it would be difficult, and I've been through so many community board meetings, I know how difficult this thing would be. But when they saw the pictures of their own beaches, they responded because it was about them. You know, that this is their beach, it's still there. I think that the goal of design is to raise the expectation of what something can be. Because you think, oh, it can only be this way because it was always this way. And that is my personal goal as a designer, and it involves people. I love working big, I have to admit. I love making posters, and I love working on buildings, and I love things that are loud and proud. You should feel like, wow, look at that, or oh, look at that, let's go in here, this looks interesting, or I don't like that. Some form of reaction, you know, because then it engages somebody with their environment, which is terrific, whether it's a flat thing that's a poster, or it's a sign on the street, or it's a video display. Now we have video monitors all over New York. It's wonderful.